Okay, hi everyone. I'm so excited to finally, finally be on YouTube. I finally have my set. I finally have everything because I'm a perfectionist. Okay, anyway, that was a long intro of excitement. But I did a skincare video and I'm so excited to show you all. Okay, my name is Sarah Beavers. I'm really glad that you all clicked on this video because that means that either you want an early morning skincare routine or you wanted the rollies and you support me, which is super exciting. I'm so excited. Okay, anyway, so I wanted to go ahead and show you all my early morning skin routine, specifically targeted more towards winter because I get very dry in some areas and have combination skin. But yes, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead because long intros are awful. I hate long intros too. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. All right. All right, hey y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with exfoliating with this exfoliant that I created. It is a cinnamon coffee exfoliant, and I go ahead and put that around the dry areas of my face. And for me, that is my cheeks and around my mouth area. And for the recipe for this exfoliant scrub, I'll put that on my website, bechickonline.com, as well as in the bio below. So some of the things I actually really like about using coffee is it's a skin softener. So when you're exfoliating, you're going and softening up that skin with the cocoa, as well as it helps treat dark circles and puffy eyes. I don't put it around my eyes, but it can help with that. Antioxidants, it's rich in antioxidants and actually is a lot higher than many fruits and vegetables. So if you're looking for that, go ahead and give it a try, as well as skin tightening and skin brightening. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse that off my face using warm water and a wash rag and just kind of getting all the little grounds off. Okay, so after I use the exfoliating scrub, that is when I go in with my Dr. Bronner's. Tried really hard to get this to focus, but the way the light was going, I'll go ahead and put the link in the bio. So I'm using this Dr. Bronner's. This is the baby scented. It's an all Castile soap. It's really great. You only need like 1 or 2 drops to sizz up the whole face. I just was dampening my face up a little bit more before going in. And I just kind of massage that in there. I really enjoy washing my face. Like, I use my whole hand. I massage my face. Like, I make sure it's clean. I make sure I get all of the little nooks and crannies. Alright, so after I finish lathering up my face, I'm going to take that wash rag and some warm water and go ahead and get all the soap off. I don't know why I'm so extra with wringing my wash rag out. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get all that soap off. I go ahead and wipe my lips. I had a little bit of chapstick on. So I'm actually going to exfoliate my lips because remember, this is my wintertime routine and my lips get so dry in the winter, especially when we're transitioning from like summer to winter. This is actually a mint lip scrub I got from Lush. It is edible, so when you see me licking it off later in the video, just know it's literally sugar, salt, a few natural oils, and some peppermint. So I just go ahead and scrub that all in, try to get all the areas. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and put a sheet mask on. And the sheet mask that I'm using has hydrofluoric acid, which is really great for the skin. Helps balance your pH and some other things like that. I'll put more details of what that does for the skin in the bio below.
2,000 years later. 6.5 hours later. A few inches later.
Alright, so now that I finally got that out of the wrapper and the scissors decided to kind of work, we're going to put this sheet mask. I thought I had ripped it, but I think that's how it comes to wrap around the face. We're going to put this sheet mask on. This is going to provide a lot of moisture for the skin, which is something I frankly really need right now because my skin is going through it. It's dry. So you're going to want to go ahead and with that serum from this sheet mask, just kind of rub it in your skin, massage it in. You're going to let that sit. I just really be trying to get all the little air bubbles, but it'd be so cold on my face. It'd be so cold, but I still try to rub it in and get it all in there. Alright, so we're going to let that go ahead and sit for about 4 minutes. Alright, so we're back and we're going to go ahead and peel that sheet mask off. Got all that serum. But I actually really do not like rubbing the serum in my skin. I don't know why. It feels slimy and I don't like the texture. So I'm going to go in with my cotton swab and my toner, which is from Benefit. It's a moisturizing toner or moisturizing face prep. Got that to focus. So I'm going to go ahead in and just get that toner on the cotton ball and kind of rub in the serum, but also tone my skin and get rid of the extra sliminess that I don't like. So I'm also going and rubbing off the lip scrub, and eventually I just started licking it off like I told y'all before because it's edible, and it was just all those little grinds. They were just kind of rubbing around my face. Go ahead and get the neck. I have problem areas with discoloration in my neck, so I make sure to tone that as well. So now we're going to go in with the Benefit Total Moisture Facial Cream. This absolutely is the best face cream ever. I will continuously gas it until someone can tell me otherwise. It does wonders for my skin, and as soon as I transitioned over to it about 2 years ago, I noticed a huge difference in my pores as well as just the overall smoothness and just look of my skin. But after that, I know y'all didn't think we was done. Okay, sunscreen. That's what we add in today. We add in sunscreen. So this is the Dream Screen from Benefit. Obviously, this is not sponsored from Benefit, but I really love Benefit's facial products. Sunscreen is so important and protects you from all those UV rays, making sure you don't get them wrinkles because we don't want wrinkles. So this is a mattifying one, so I'm going to go ahead and just pat that on in all over. Alright, so after, wrong side. After, we're going to add in the Pore Professionals. It's just a pore minimizing balm. Boo, couldn't get it to focus. But I just add that in my T-zone area. So under the eyes, the nose, and right in the middle of my forehead. Those are the spots I get super oily. So after I rub that in, I go ahead and add some Chappity Chapstick. I normally use the Dior lip gloss, but I ran out of that, so I'm going in with my Shea Moisture chapstick. Alright, and that's really all I do for my morning skincare. I keep it very barefaced. But if you all like the video, please comment something that you would all like to see from me, as well as like and thumbs up the video.
Not your average girl. You need a swag and